In the bright and busy town of Sunwhistle, everyone seemed to laugh, play, and learn new things every single day. But no one was more curious than a clever kid called Zairo. If there was a new recipe to taste, a tower to build, a new game to try, or a wild idea to imagine, Zairo was already there, sleeves rolled up and bright eyes twinkling. One thing, though, made Zairo blink back his shine, making mistakes. If something splattered, toppled, or simply didn't go as planned, Zairo's shoulders drooped and a frown appeared where his smile used to be. One sunny afternoon, Zairo set out to paint a picture for the school art showcase. He dreamed of painting swirling candy floss skies, trees that glowed gold, and a sun that beamed as if telling a secret joke. Dipping his brush into his cup of blue paint, Zairo smiled until, whoops! The paint cup tipped and blue sploshes splattered all over the table, the floor, and even Zairo's stripy socks. Tears prickled in Zairo's eyes. "I've ruined everything," he whispered, wanting to stuff the painting out of sight. But then Auntie Leora, with her twinkly scarf and kind eyes, poked her head around the door. "Oh my," she said, and Zairo shrank, expecting a scolding. But Auntie Leora crouched down and smiled. "Well, that looks like a mistake, or perhaps a creative surprise." Zairo peered up. "A surprise?" "Absolutely," said Auntie Leora. "There's always a lesson in a mistake. Want to find it with me?" Instead of fussing, Auntie Leora showed Zairo how to swirl the blue splashes into rolling ocean waves, painting tiny fish flipping through them. Suddenly the painting looked magical. Zairo's eyes shone. He'd made a sea out of a spill. The very next day, Zairo was building the tallest tower the playroom had ever seen. Higher and higher it grew until, thud, with one wobbly nudge from a kitten's tail, the blocks tumbled everywhere. "I'm not good at this," he grumbled, ready to give up and play something else. Then Zairo remembered Auntie Leora's words. What lesson was his mistake trying to teach him? He stared for a moment. The tower had the teeniest blocks at the bottom. Zairo grinned and rebuilt it, this time with big blocks on the bottom and little blocks on top. This time the tower stood proud and steady. Zairo giggled, "Mistakes actually help." Later that week, Zairo zipped outside with a shiny new bike. He tried to ride without training wheels, wiggling, tilting, and whoosh, toppled onto the grass. The grass tickled his nose as he sighed. Remembering his game with mistakes, Zairo whispered to himself, "What are you teaching me, bike blooper?" He learned to look ahead, pedal steady, and balance. After a few more tries and a few more grass stains, Zairo wobbled less and less, until, at last, he zipped round the garden, shouting, "I'm doing it! I'm doing it!" The next day, Zairo told his friends Nemi, Kova, and Iliri his secret. "Whenever I mess up, I just stop and ask, 'What can I learn?'" Soon all his friends tried it too. When Nemi's answer in maths was wrong, she just asked, "What tricks can I use next time?" When Kova spelled banana like banana, he giggled and tried again. When Iliri spilt juice in her drawing, she coloured it a sparkly sunset. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.